can do it.
God damn it, woman.
You know, the saw actually has to move if you're going to cut it.
Yeah, but push it. Yeah, that's it. Push. It's not necessarily speed. It's just one full push through it.
Yeah, right.
No, I really am.
I think she is. The blade's in.
Are you?
The blade looks like it's in.
Alright, these branches are not. Sorry. There's something on that side that maybe did not go.
I hope
Wait,
there's
I'm gonna
no
go up.
squirrels in there.
Oh, stop.
Hello, squirrels. We're coming in.
Push through. Push through.
No, but that one side? No, there's nothing here. Like,
Let me see. Push it.
you're not cutting.
You can't get it through.
Hold on, I need to adjust my
This is worth the trip itself. I'll tell you.
We call you a loser.
You can do it. I believe in you.
I believe in Eli. Come on.
You do good. You do a good job, Sam. I'll let you chop all our wood at home.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. You got one. I would say you got about an inch left.
Yeah, you're actually doing good. Yeah. Keep going.
It's amazing how much you cut with the fewest strokes I've ever seen in my life.
I know. What?
It's amazing how much you can cut with a few strokes.
You know something? I think this has to be leaned off this way now.
Is it gonna like snap?
No. I
No.
just want to keep it so it
Snap
doesn't.
it.
I
It's
don't want
not
it
that
to,
heavy.
I don't want it to compress against your saw.
Push it down. That
Good-
actually
good.
made it easier.
Now it should make it easier.
Yes.
Because it's not going to compress.
Good point.
Oh, shit.
You know, I knew there was a reason we brought you.
Yes!
Timber!
Did it! Sam.
Hey!
That is. You did a nice job. I want to tell you something. You know, remember this: slow and steady wins the race.
That's
you did
right.
a great job.
Here, wait, stay there.
Nicely done.
Hey, you want to get your butt out of my picture?
Well, I wanted to just roll it over.
I'll send you my picture.
There you go.
Yes!
I don't want to touch it though because there's sap on it. Smile. You did good. You did good. You know, if you had a clipper, you could clip some of those right now.
Yeah.
I just brought it with me. I had it in the car.
Shit.
Because they're a pain in the ass right now. You're not going to clip them either way. You can do
That's
it right
right.
here.
I know, leave it. Yeah.
You know? I should just like cut a few of those. Oh, gee, sorry.
Oh, you know that base is too thick for my holder. Let's find another tree. Easier said than done, right?
No, not to turn it.
Yeah. I don't you want the gloves for your sap?
No, over here is okay.
You're on my floor. Whoops. The first tree I sent mommy, she just responded, wow! Oh shit.
Well, I sent her another one that's saying,
Well, how far you want to go up, Mark?